So expression for electric potential energy of a system of 3-point charges in absence of electric field. Okay na? So in previous derivations we had discussed if 2-point charges in absence of electric field as well as in presence of electric field. So in absence of electric field we have to keep in our mind, if one charge I want to bring from infinite to a certain point, so I am not at all applying any kind of force or else work done on it. Just by touching this, it will comes to the point A. Suppose point A, if I brought 3-point charges, point A is here. If I want to bring point B from infinite, here will be this electrostatic force will apply on this. This electrostatic force is opposed to come near to this. Okay. So even though I am work on it point B, bring at this point. Okay. Na? Point charge 1, charge 2. One more charge if I want to bring for infinite. See here. Point A, point B from this point. From this point if I want to bring, total 2 forces will apply. One is because of this force along this direction. One more will be because of this force along this direction. At a point C, total there are 2-point charges are applied. Okay na? Because of charge 1, because of charge 2. These 2 charges are apply a force on this point C. So, how to calculate here? See here. So, it is your point A. Let us call, this is your Q1. Charge Q1 is here. Okay na? It is your charge Q1. Then, here I am not at all working on it to bring from infinite. It is at infinite. Okay na? It is at infinite. Then see here. B, point B is at infinite. Okay na? Charge Q2 I am taking here. This charge Q2 is at infinite. So if I want to bring this point charge against of this electric field lines. So against of this electric field lines means if I want to bring this point B to the point B charge Q2 towards the point B, I must have to work on it. What kind of work I am doing here? Work done is equal to V into, it will be your Q2. Okay. This much of the work is I am doing on this unit positive charge to bring from infinite to a point B. Okay, this point is complete. Then suppose this Q3 is at infinite. Okay, this Q3 is at infinite. I want to bring this Q3 at this point. See, it is your point C. Okay, na? If I kept here Q3. Then see here, 2 forces will apply this. Just because of this force, these field lines will be along this direction. This is acting a force on this. That is your first force. Then similarly, just take this point charge. This point charge is also acting a force on this. So, at this point C, total 2 forces are acting. One is because of Q1, just because of Q2, another one. Okay, na? Shall I draw a neat diagram this? See here, how to write this. See here. It will be your Q1. Okay, na? Point A, just. It will be your Q2. It is your point B. Okay, na? It will be your Q1. Separated by distance, I am taking as R1. R1. So one more charge. Point C. It will be your Q3. Okay. It will be your Q3. Okay, na? So I am taking it as R2. It will be your R3. See here. It is at a constant. At this point, the potential V will be, what is here? Sorry. V is equal to W by Q. At this point only. Okay. If I came at this point, the potential must be what? So this potential is equal to, what should I write? This potential is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by, separated by distance R1. Okay. Let's see the derivation now. Okay. Let the work done let the work done on B, on point B. What will be your work done? So work done on point B, see here, on B, what will be your work done? V into Q2, is or not? Okay, first of all, work done at A. What will be your work done at A? Or else potential I want to calculate here, not a work done, potential at A. This potential is equal to, what is here? This is work done divided by charge Q1. So this work done is equal to, what should I write? V into Q1. Let us call this is equation number 1. Then come to the point. Let us call this is W1. Then what should I write? Don't take W1. Then the work done, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ತರದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಆನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ Q2. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್, ಇದು ಬೇಡ, ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು W by Q1. Potential is equal to, so this potential will be W by Q1. So then work done on charge Q2. So this work done is equal to, or else potential energy is equal to, what is your work done? See here, on this charge, it is at infinite. Okay na? Let us, here is your infinite. If I want to bring this point charge from infinity to point B, I must have to work on it. So what kind of work I am doing here? So this work done is equal to K times of Q1 Q2, K times of Q1 Q2 divided by, separated by distance will be R1. Let us call this is equation number 1. W1 is equal to, it will be your equation number 1. Okay na? Then it is your equation number 1. How to calculate W2? Then see here, at this point, okay na, work done means this point charge is at infinite. From this point to, if I bring this point charge, there will be two forces. One is just because of A and another one is just because of B. Okay na, I am writing work done at 2 is equal to K times of, along this direction you can take. Okay na, work done is along this direction. What should I write? It will be Q1 Q3 divided by, separated by distance will be R3, plus one more force will be there. What is that? This force. Okay na, W2 is equal to K Q2 Q3. Okay na, K Q2 Q3 divided by, separated by distance must be R2. So total work done, how to calculate? So this total work done is equal to, so total work done is equal to what? This W is equal to W1 plus W2. Then total work done W is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R plus K Q1 Q3 divided by R3 plus K Q2 Q3 divided by R2. Or else you may write K Q1 Q2 divided by R1, Q2 Q3 divided by R2 plus Q1 Q3 divided by R3. So this work done is in the form of potential energy is equal to K times of Q1 Q2 divided by R1 plus K Q2 Q3 divided by R2 plus K Q1 Q3 divided by R3 is the final expression. Okay na? Or else you may write potential is also, potential V is equal to V1 plus V2 we can calculate. Okay na? Then based on this we will solve some problems. Okay na? See here one more point. So find the total potential at this point B. So total potential at point B is equal to V, total potential here we are going to calculate, into Q. Okay na? This formula we are using in the further problematic part. See the problems next. See this question. 3-point charges of 4 microcoulomb, minus 2 microcoulomb and 6 microcoulomb are placed at 3 corners of equilateral triangle of side 0.1 meter. Calculate the potential energy had asked. Calculate the potential energy of system of charges. Okay na? He had not at all asked particular, find the potential energy at particular point. Okay na? He told that find the system of charges. What is the formula for system of charges here? What he had told, it will be Q1, ABC I am taking, ABC. So 4 into 10 to the power minus 6, A, B, minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. It will be C, 6 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay na? So our formula will be this potential energy is equal to K times of Q1. See here, Q1, sorry, here is your Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay na? A, B, C, Q1, Q2, Q3 can take. So separated by distance is also given. It will be 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. Means equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. K, Q1, Q2 divided by, separated by distance R1 plus Q2, Q3 divided by R2 plus Q3, Q1 divided by R3. So this potential energy is equal to K. It will be 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q1, just put the sign also. Okay, it is minus, 4 into Q1, Q2 minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 6. It will be 10 to the power minus 12 divided by R1. It will be 0.1. Then Q2, 4 into 6 into 10 to the power minus 12 divided by 0.1 plus Q3, Q4, Q1. So 6 into minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 12. So this total potential energy after calculating, the answer will be 0.36 joule. Okay na? 0.36 joule. Calculate by using calculator. Okay na? So it is your first problem. Then go to the second problem. See this question. The electric charges of 10 microcoulomb, 5 microcoulomb, minus 3 microcoulomb and 8 microcoulomb are placed at a corner of a square of side is given. Side is root 2 meter. What is the potential at center of the square? Okay na? He had not asked the potential energy. Keep in your mind first. Okay na? Okay. So he had asked to calculate the potential at the center. So we derived the equation potential due to a system of charges. Okay na? So potential is equal to V is equal to K times of Q1 by R1, Q2 by R2, Q3 by R3 up to Qn by Rn. That formula will applicable here. Okay na? See here. Electric charges of 4 charges. Q1, Q2, it will be your Q3, it will be your Q4. Anywhere you may take. Q1, 10 into 10 to the power minus 6. Q2, 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. C, minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 6. Then, one more charge, 8 into 10 to the power minus 6. First chapter and second chapter. In first chapter, we are not going to consider the sign. But in case of potential, we have to take the sign with that quantity. Okay na? See this point. Side is given. It will be root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2. Okay. What is the potential at center of square? Okay na? At this point, I want to calculate the potential. Okay na? See here. What should I write here? At this point, because of this, because of this. At this point, if I want to calculate potential at this point is equal to, what should I write? Potential due to this plus potential due to this plus potential due to this, potential due to this. Means potential at a point due to a system of point charges. Remember that thing. If you had forgot, just go through video number 2 or else 3. Okay na? See here, this potential is equal to, what should I write? K Q1 by R1 plus K Q2 by R2 plus K Q3 by R3 if there are n number of charges. K times of Qn divided by Rn. Okay, but distance is not given. Distance is given between AB, BC, CD and like this only the distance is given. But if I want to calculate Q1 by R1, let us call it will be your Q1. I am taking it is R1. It is your R2. It will be your R3. It will be your R4. How to calculate R1? See here. How to calculate R1? From this point to this point. Total diagonal. So if it is your square, so it is your 2. Root 2 is here. Okay na? Root 2 is here. So diagonal, what is the diagonal? If I want to distance between these 2 points, it will be side into root 2. Okay na? Side is root 2. Again, it is root 2. Root 2 into root 2. It will be 2 itself. Okay na? It will be 2 itself. It is perfectly a diagonal. Pure one diagonal. But I want to calculate what? Half of the diagonal. Half of the diagonal means divided by 2. Means half of the diagonal if I want means side into root 2. Half of the diagonal means it will be divided by 2. So side will be root 2 into root 2 divided by 2. Root 2 into root 2. It will be 2 divided by 2. It is your 1. So same thing I am using here. Okay na? See here, side is given. Okay na? Total diagonal will be. So diagonal is equal to what we are going to write? Side into root 2. But side is given. It will be root 2 into root 2. Okay na? Half of the diagonal. I want only half of the diagonal. Na? Half of diagonal is equal to side into root 2 divided by 2. Okay na? Total it will be 1. Okay na? So what should I write? R1 is equal to 1. Similarly R2 is also 1. R3 is also 1. Then R4 is also 1. So distance we had calculated. Okay na? So this total potential K is a constant. Take it outside. 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q1 by R1. What is your Q1? 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 1 plus Q2. 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 1. But it is your minus. Minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 1. It is your plus. Plus 8 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 1. Okay. 10 to the power minus 6 is a common. Take it outside. This V is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power minus 6 is a common. 10 divided by 1 is 10 plus 5 minus 3 plus 8 divided by 1 is divided by 1 itself. So this is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 3, 15. 15 minus 3 will be 12. 12 plus 8, it will be 20. So total potential at center is equal to 22 into 9, 20 into 9, 180 into 10 to the power 3 joule is the final answer. Okay. See the next question. Okay. 3-point charges of 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3, 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 and minus 5 minus 0.5 into 10 to the power are placed at a corner of ABC of right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means one angle must be 90 degree. respectively. Right triangle of ABC, if AB is equal to 1.2 meter, BC distance is given. I want to calculate potential at a point B. Okay, see here, potential energy had told, potential energy at a particular point. So I am writing here, it will be your right angle triangle. Angle must be 90 degree. A, B, C. Okay na? 3-point charges. Here is 1.5. Here will be your 0.2. Again it will be your minus 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 right here. Into 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, now what he had told, if AB is equal to 1.2 meter, BC is equal to 0.5 meter, calculate potential energy at this point. Okay, so if I want to calculate potential energy at this point, okay, na? How to calculate this? First of all, because of this potential energy, okay, na? It opposes to this. Okay, it is at fixed point. It is at fixed point. B is at a fixed point. So if I want to bring this point charge from infinity, it opposes to it this. So first opposes to this is V1. Again, if I want to bring this point charge, okay, na? If this point charge, if I have to brought, again it is also opposes to this, isn't? So find first V1 is equal to, just because of this charge, it is opposed to this. Shall I write K times of Q1 divided by R1. V1 I am calculating. So this V1 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by R1. This distance will be 1.2. So this V1 is equal to 135. 15 into 9 will be 135 point after one digit point into 10 to the power 6 whole divided by 1.2. Okay, after calculating this, we are getting V1 is equal to 11.25 into 10 to the power 6 volt. Okay, I had calculated V1. Okay, then calculate for V2 from this point charge. This V2 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 6 whole divided by, separated by distance, it will be 0.5. This V2 is equal to 4.5. 0.5 means it is divided by 2. So divided by 2 means it will be 4.5 into 10 to the power 6 whole divided by 0.5. So after calculating, we are getting V2 as minus 9 into 10 to the power, it will be minus, sorry, it will be our minus. Okay, minus 9 into 10 to the power 6 minus 9 into 10 to the power 6 volt. Okay, V1 I had calculated, similarly V2 I had calculated. So total potential on this total potential will be what? So these two, adding of these two, or else you may write like this also your equation, K into, just because of this, don't write, just like write this one. Okay na? V2 I had calculated. So total potential, how you are going to calculate? V is equal to V1 plus V2. So it is your minus 9, it is your plus 11.25. V1 plus V2 we are getting finally 2.25 into 10 to the power 6 volt. So V I had calculated, okay na, total potential I had calculated, but at a particular point if I want the potential energy, at a particular point if I want a potential energy, our formula will be, so at this point if I want a potential energy, this potential energy is equal to, or else this potential energy, or else U, some other books it is denoted by U, potential energy, or else U is equal to, at this particular point, remember this, it will be potential in total potential into charge. Okay na? potential energy into charge. So what I should write? V we know, total V into charge is given, it will be 0.2. So this potential energy is equal to V is 2.25. So I am writing here 2.25 into 10 to the power 6 into 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So total we are getting this potential energy is equal to, so 0.2 into 2.25, finally we are getting 450 joule. Okay, calculate it by using your calculator. Okay, so it is an important problem. See the next question. See this question. Point charges of 2 nanocoulomb, 4 nanocoulomb and 8 nanocoulomb are placed at the corner of A, B, C respectively of a square of ABCD of side is given 0.2 meter. Calculate the work is required to transfer the charge of 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 from D to a center O. Okay, na? See here. How to calculate this? This is your square of A, B, C, D. Okay, na? So here A, B, C, D I am writing inside. A, B, C, D. Okay, na? So it will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 6, 4 into 10, sorry, minus 9 it is. Okay, na? Not a minus 6, minus 9. Again, 8 into 10 to the power minus 9. D is not given. What he had told? Corner of ABC respectively of a square of ABCD. Side is given. What will be your side? 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. Calculate the work is required to transfer the electric charge of 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb from D to a center O. See here. Okay, na? So here he had kept a charge of 2 into 10 to the power minus 9. This point charge has to bring from D to a point A. Okay, na? So it will be your O center. So first of all, what we have to calculate here. Nodi. E point ಒಳಗಡೆ potential total potential ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸದ್ಯದ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ potential 1 2 3 potentials are here. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಗಳು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 2 3 ನ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಆಟ್ O ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಾ, ದೆನ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಆಟ್ D ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಆಟ್ O ಮತ್ತು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಆಟ್ D ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ನಮಗೆ? ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಇದು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಆಟ್ O ಮತ್ತು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಆಟ್ D ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಬಿಡಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಿದೆ, ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಅಟ್ ಅ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡಿ, ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಿ ಇಂಟು ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಅಟ್ O ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಸಾರಿ, ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಅಟ್ O ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ 9 ಇಂಟು 10 ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ 2 ನ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೂಟ್ 2 ಇಂಟು ಸೈಡ್, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ 2. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಇಂಟು ಸೈಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 0.2 ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 0.1 into root 2. Okay, na? So it will be your 0.1 root 2. It is also 0.1 root 2, 0.1 root 2. All sides are 0.1 root 2. Okay, na? See here, potential at O is equal to K. It is constant. Take it outside. K, just because of Q1 I am taking. It is your Q1, Q2, Q3, it will be your Q4. Q1 divided by R1 plus Q2 divided by R2 plus Q3 divided by R3. So let about this. Total 3 potentials were there. Okay na? This V at potential at O is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Q1. This one 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 divided by 0.1 root 2 divided by 0.1 into root 2 plus Q2. It is also plus 4 into 10 to the power minus 9 divided by 0.1 into root 2 plus 8 into 10 to the power minus 9 divided by 0.1 into root 2. Okay. So this V potential at O is equal to, what is common here? So calculate by using your calculator. Finally we are getting the answer. V at O is equal to 891.1 volt. Okay na? At center we had calculated, is or not? So then at this point I have to calculate VO ಕಂಡಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ V at D ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ at D ಕಂಡಿಡಿದ್ಬಿಡಿ. VO ದೊಳಗಡೆ VD ನ ಕಳೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಕಂಡಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಸೊ VO ಕಂಡಿಡಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ VO ಆಯ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ತಿಸೋದು? ಓಕೆ. VD ಕಂಡಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. Next, V at D is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 total. See here, at this point I want to calculate VD is equal to Q1, but distance is changes here. Okay na? Q1 divided by 0.2 agate, means 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 divided by, it will be 0.2 plus one more charge. It will be 4 into 10 to the power minus 9 divided by total distance, diagonal distance. It will be root 2 into side, means root 2 into 0.2. Okay na? Plus, because of this 8 into 10 to the power 9 divided by distance will be 0.2. Okay na? So after calculating this, we are getting V at a point D is equal to 577.3 volt. Okay na? 577.3. VO we had calculated, VD we had calculated. Just make total potential is equal to, so total potential is equal to, this is total potential. V is equal to VO minus V of D. Okay na? So this V is equal to VO. It will be 891.1 minus 577.3. So this potential, total potential we are getting as 313.8. 313.8 volt. So total potential we had get. Okay na? Potential at point D. Okay na? See here, it will be your point D. Okay na? At a point D, what is your charge? It is 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb. Okay na? So total potential is equal to what we are going to write? Or else work done or else potential, both are same. So this work done is equal to, I took a potential energy. Okay na? So work done is equal to, what should I write? See, I am writing here, it is to be like this. So potential energy at a point D is equal to, at a particular point if I want, okay na, this potential into charge Q, this potential energy is taken as a what? Work done. So this work done is equal to, potential is given, it will be 313.8 into charge is given at a point D, 2 into 10 to the power minus 9. 2 into 10 to the power minus 9. So finally we are getting 627. So this work done, this much of the work is required. How much it is? 627.6 into 10 to the power minus 9 joule. Okay, na? This much of the work is required to bring this unit positive at a point D to O. Okay, so next class we will discuss some other topics.